This is Gloria Maestre.
And this is Miguel, Maestre.
Whoa! This is my beautiful daughter.
And this is my papa.
So what are we cooking today, Gloria?
Flamenca Eggs.
Flamenca Eggs. You know how everyone is in love with huevos rancheros, and it's like that kind of Mexican-style breakfast? Well, in Spain, we have our own version of like a really nice, cool way to have the eggs, and it's called Flamenca Eggs. Do you know what flamenco is?
It's a dance.
It's a dance, right? So flamenco is like, ole! Gloria, you know flamenco? Ole! Okay, so the first step to do the eggs is empty the tomato, okay? We're gonna make a little tomato sauce, and we're gonna empty the tomatoes, and the egg is gonna go inside the tomato with the tomato sauce. And the best part of this, we're gonna poach the eggs with the tomato sauce. So the first thing you do, you're gonna cut a little bit of the base of the tomato so it doesn't wiggle, okay? After, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be quite generous to open a little door like that. So this way we're gonna get the top of the tomato, okay? And now when we have this, with the spoon, Chloe, I'm gonna dig in and create some space. Whoa, that's a big tomato in there. You can feel lots of eggs in there. Yeah, dig in.
Why did I get the hardest one?
You get the hard tomato. I stitch you up. I give you the hard tomato. Yeah, go around the side and scoop the inside of the tomato. And we can use that for the tomato sauce as well. Meanwhile, Chloe is doing that. What I'm gonna do in the frying pan is create a really delicious, quick tomato sauce. So we got a little bit of frying pan, put a bit of olive oil, just very little splash. Your finger in there, very good. That's delicious. Now I'm gonna get you to put a little bit of garlic. Which one is the garlic? Good job with the spoon, just with the spoon. I already chopped that one up. Okay, a little bit. Oh, listen to that. And before the garlic gets burned, what do we do, Glory? We're gonna put the tomato sauce. Okay, hold that. I get this, put the tomato sauce. Go for it. Whoa, hey, hey. See? This is called Flamenca Eggs. Very good, go, 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 go. So now what are we gonna do, Glory? Eh?
We need to put the eggs in here.
Yes. Ooh, that's a good crack. Yeah. And now, not from here, put it in there, softly. Softly? Ooh, very good. Oh, nice and low, beautiful. Good job, Gloria. And meanwhile, Gloria's doing that and empty all these tomatoes. In Spain, breakfast is really healthy, okay? So the tomatoes and the eggs are an amazing combination together. And what we're gonna serve them with is with a little tomato salad. So we're gonna season the beautiful salad with a little bit of olive oil, yes? Fantastic. And now a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. Okay, so you wanna spread the feta in there, and what I'm gonna do here, we're changing sides, is what we're doing here is transferring these amazing tomatoes that are slightly poached and trying to get a little bit of that sauce and just put it in the middle there, okay? Go for it, inside. Goodbye, adios. Basically, we're poaching the eggs. Instead of poaching them in water, we're poaching them with the tomato sauce. So you can tell they're really nice and juicy with a beautiful shiny egg yolk. And we'll finish them in the oven. Gloria, what a good job. Hey, stop it. Okay, so when the tomatoes look like this and we got the bread ready, we're gonna put a little bit of this manchego Spanish cheese on top. So when they go in the oven, they melt. It's gonna be like a really nice layer of melted cheese in there. And that's gonna be delicious. So should we put them in the oven? You wanna put them in the oven?
Yeah.
How long they've been in the oven? Let me check my watch.
You don't have a watch?
No, don't tell anyone. They've been in the oven
They
for
can see.
10, 15 minutes. Okay, let's get the tomatoes out of the way. Oh! That's what I'm talking about. Wow, Gloria, that looks pretty good. Is it your one there?
That's the pepper one.
This is the one you hide all the pepper. So when you transfer them, be very careful. These are really hot. I almost recommend that always wait a little bit so they cool down slightly. Oh, and this is great with a little bit of bread, some beautiful feta cheese, some jamon. Wow. Okay. A ver. So, Wow. That is pretty good.
Yeah, they're the best.
I like your honesty. I like that you had to wait to taste them to say that they're the best.
It's easy to make, so it'll be easy for you guys to make.
Very nice. Oh, I think we forgot the salad. Oh, a little bit of salad. If you want delicious recipes like this, all you need to do is go to australianeggs.org.au/...
Meal to remember.
Meal to remember, yeah!